Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a phone, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. For this we need a brush with fairly long bristles so that it can reach all the way to the end of the port, so that the bristles reach inside. You'll also need isopropyl alcohol, 100%, 99.9% purity. If you don't have that, you can use spirit alcohol, 300 proof, over 90%, and then we can just get started. Of course, the port is at the bottom of the phone. So, we take the alcohol, we soak the brush thoroughly a few times so it's wet. We insert it into the phone, which should of course be turned off. We do everything with the phone turned off. So if your phone is on, turn it off. It has to be completely powered down before we can proceed. So, with the phone fully turned off, we clean it. We insert the bristles all the way in and move them to one side, just to one side. First to one side, then to the other side. To make sure the whole port gets soaked well. But of course, soak it with alcohol, not with some water, because then your phone will break, rust, and unfortunately that'll be the end of your phone. Once we've soaked the port thoroughly, we can firmly press it back in again, and incorporate a little bit more if needed. Like I said, you need something long enough so it goes all the way into the port and presses right to the end. Now it's more or less cleaned. Next, we need a little piece of plastic. We printed ours on a 3D printer. As you can see, it's just a thin piece of plastic. And here we insert it into the port and clean it. We check if there's anything left in the port, like dust or debris. So we push it in all the way, move it to the side and pull it out. There shouldn't be anything left. The tip broke off at the end, but we have more of them. And just 2 or 3 passes like that, and that's it. If there was any dirt, it would just come out. After using this little piece of plastic, we take the brush again and go over it once more. The whole port. First in one direction, then in the other. If we don't have that brush I mentioned earlier, we can just use a regular toothbrush at the end. Insert the tip of the toothbrush into the port and move it sideways. The effect is exactly the same, though it's a bit worse in terms of economy and ergonomics, but the result is the same as before. And the plastic part, as I said, can be 3D printed. They're just for printing. And if you don't have access to a printer, you can simply buy it at any phone store. They sell them there for a few zlotys. Once it's cleaned, we leave the phone for 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. And now we have the phone, the port is cleaned, and everything will work properly. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.